Today's walk is Summerhill Force, Gibson's Cave. Got a little shit in tow. It's in the heart of County Durham. Just have a little gander around here, see what's. Penny. Hi son, come on then. You're sticking with it. Come on. Hey. And he gets a branch stuck in his. Come here. Come here. Go. Go on. Teddy. Hi son. Few cars in the car park, like. I feel this is pretty busy. Last time we were here, there was a bit of snow on the ground last year. Gotta go up them steps. Yeah. Gotta go up them steps. Ugh. Let's stand in here. Oh, so you coming with us? You coming? Oh. See what's up here, eh? It's what I fall in the water. I haven't got the ideal footwear today. Trainers. Oh, he's in the water. I've got a towel in the car. That's canny. How lush is this?
Ready?
Up the steps we go. How cool is that waterfall there? Little one. Steps. You got your strawberry on you? Alright. Didn't turn mine on. People down there. Oh. I'm glad this isn't a climb. So I'm knackered already. When I do these videos, I always say I'm tired. Virtually straight away. Look down on that. How's the viewing thing here? Danger, drop. Just little tiny waterfalls as you go on. And it is. Hi son. It's a nice flat bit here. The walk to the waterfalls, not a long one. Say hello. It's only about 2 miles, isn't it? It's like 2.5 miles round.
About 3 if we're going down to the low falls.
Aye. Aye. Something like that. Aye, snow on the ground around here last time we were here. It's like a lush summer's day today. Short sleeves. Lush. Only a bit of wind in the air. Perfect. Dog's loving it. Sorry. 2 seconds. Look at this. Be able to see the main waterfall in a minute. Get around this corner, you'll be able to see it further up. And you're taking photos. This, the water's not shut now, not deep. People just put some wellies on. Water all the way, there it is. Water all the way down. There's the main waterfall there. Right there. Gotta get the dog soaked. It's about a 15-minute walk from the car, if that. There it is. Summerhill Force, Gibson's Cave. This is it. There's no one here. What should I say? There it is. Right, who's down as to go across? There we are. Little walk along here, son. Are you getting under there? I don't fit under there. Don't think so. Get yourself in, son. Get yourself in, son. Go on, get. Oh, fine, I'm good. Woo! Yeah, tough off. What's this like? Right, he's a bit where I fall in. Need to go there. He's enjoying himself. Oh Matt, you know, as he just shakes himself and totally soaks me at the same time. Hey? Slimy. Must be trainer's wet. Right, how do I get over here then? I'll see if I can get on the other side if I can. Don't think I can, to be honest. If I had some wellies on, I'll be straight in there. What, lassie? Oh, Daddy slipped! And it feels like seaweed there, it's like screen on the bottom. Slippy! Right. Might not find a way over to the other side without getting too wet. That one. Oh, slippy, 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 slippy. Right, I'm gonna get wet. Look that way. I'm not gonna get wet. I'm gonna get wet. Whoa, slippy. Nah. I end up breaking my neck. And I'll do it on video. It's not worth it, to be honest. Shut up. Hey, what's it? He's saying, don't go across, Daddy. You'll slip. You'll hurt yourself. Oh. Aye. Do as Lassie says. Oh. There is a way across, you know. Just go across there, actually. There you go. Oh, now you come with us, you can just run across. Cocky little twat. Right, here. Right, I'll probably still fall in, to be honest. There you go. Whoa! Slip again. It's very slippy this, like. It's probably my trainers, to be honest. Got the wrong footwear on, haven't I? There you go. Oh, I'm on the other side. Aye. Do you have a can, like? What is that? Oh. Hi, son. Is that what you're doing over there? Hi, son. Right, let's find a way down here now. Without slipping. Me slip. Never. Down here. Oh, put your arm down. There you go. Yeah. Teddy, hi son. Is this a stair out? If anyone's still watching this video, I bet you're just watching it for when I slip in, when I fall in. Put my foot on there, climb up, go along here. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as they say. Right. They can probably just come across one. I better fall in. Oops. Better fall in. I know it's not deep, like, but it's very slippy, and that means I would obviously get on my arse. Happy days for everyone who's watching. There they are. Here he comes. Oh, son! Come on, son! Come on! He's not coming down. Right, I'm gonna go up this rock, balance my hand on this branch, and hopefully it won't crack in front of us. Right, I'll get on the other side. There you go, that's it. He's there, lad. Whoa. Now all I've got to do is get back. Come on, son. Teddy, come on, son. He's coming. Our son. Hey, hey, son. Do not jump up with me, please. Where are you going? Our son. Good lad. That's it. Done. Where are you? Hey, son. I did it. Come on, son. Did you slip there, son? Oh, you ain't going through that. Lottie says, come on, Mum. Do you realise you've got to walk all the way back there now? Are you ain't walking in there? Sure. He's away. He's loving it. I ain't going through that. No way. Right? I just decided to walk through it rather than just I walk through that there and then we'll pay it now. Trainers are soaking, but it doesn't matter, they'll dry. There's no just the point of getting back. Another way. Let's start straight. There you go, let's go there. Oh. It's not deep, but it's slippy. There you go. Should have just done this in the first place, to be honest. But, see, it is slippy. Got it? Teddy, hey son! Hey son! Where are you going? How son? Come on. Oh, careful. Get out of the way. That's it. Right, we're heading back now. Are we going to Low Force? How about the time? Aye. Right, heading back to Low Force now. It's about half an hour walk from here ish. And that's excellent scenery, like fantastic. But this is not too far from Barnard Castle, Middleton and Teesdale. Fantastic that thing. Little rat there. The sun's lush. Now we are heading towards Low Force, just there. 600 meters away. That's 600 meters to Gibson's Cave. My Force is 3k away. There. Andre, this is sort of halfway between the waterfall and low force. Aye. So it's like 15 minutes or so from the car. Depends how quickly you walk, really, I suppose. Stop taking photographs. Steps. Bloody steps. Nah. From here it's just down past the church, past them houses there, and then over the road. And there's like could have. We could have. You never thought of that, did you? Eh?
You're the chef. The barbecue chef.
I brought the stove with us, had some bacon sarnies.
Thought it would be busy.
Nah, it's not busy at all, is it? There's people around, but no, not many. No canines. Power map. Hey? All the sheep there. One's getting a nice feed there. Nice place. Just open land. That one over there. House over there.
Dogs coming.
Slush that. Right, it's just down here now. Excellent views, like. So just come through this gate here, the road, and then just walk down here through that gate there, where them people are, and then through another gate, and it's there right in front of you. Spot on. He's loving this. It's his furthest walk he's done. Drove 50 miles to get here, so that's his longest drive. Half of it was crying a little bit. Second half, once I came off the A1, he was spot on. And here it is, low force. Dog's made a friend. I'm gonna go on this bridge. Came here last year, there was snow on the ground. It was about February, March as well. What's that? Woohoo! Rock-a-bye, baby! Bridge is rocking. Go over. Shut up. Oh. See what's up here. What? Seen a few. Couple. Hey. I'm going along here. Here's me almost down again. I'll bottle this one though. Nope. Not this time. Perfect. Shut up. A bit further along from low force now. Just see where the path takes us. There's a shallow river there. River Tees. You alright?
Yeah?
Yeah? Where is he? There he is. He enjoyed being in the water earlier. It's all dry now. Hey? Yeah. I can hear a waterfall somewhere. Hear it. High forces along here somewhere. Maybe it's that. Where are we at? Where are we? You're here. High forces there. So, is your head going that way?
Yeah.
Then turn back. Yeah? Oh. I think. So it looks like our stop's gonna be high force. So. Right. You go swimming in there. That's lush that. Oh. You're also falling it as well. Right. Looks like a little mini waterfall. Can I get across there, Andre? Can you get on there without climbing down?
You wouldn't get across.
Right, you want to go on here? Just have a look. Just have a little spy. See if I can see anything. Teddy, no. Teddy, no. What's this like? I've never been down this way before, like. This far along from low force. Dog shouting at us again, saying, "Get back here now. It's too dangerous. Water's too deep." Suppose he cares. I'm coming. Heading back to the car now. So this high force is just too far for us because we've got to get back to the kids' school. So High force to be another day. It's been a good walk out though. Dog's enjoyed himself, which is important. He's barking a bit now. I think he's a bit fed up. I think he wants to go home. Oh. Coming back alongside low force now. I'm going to take some photographs in a minute. I photographed the hell out of this place. What? Photographed the hell out of this place. Yeah. Easy. Eh?
Good walk if you want.
There's a few people out, but it's alright. It's not many. Not too bad. You knew what I said. You knew what I meant. Shut up. Dog's bottom up. Oh wait. Blah blah blah.
You got something in the car?
What?
Something in the car.
Maybe. Sheep. Sheep. Bah. Hi. That's good. Coming towards the main bit of the low force now. Just going to need to go over the bridge, see the trees, and take some photos. Now it is. Like a proper summer's day like today. Huh? That's where we're going to head for our next do some photos. There's the bridge there that we'll climb we came over before. It's a good walk. Why did the back sheep stop? Go for it. Huh? Stop the sheep before mounting it.
Is there something on the other side?
Sorry?
Is there something on both sides?
Oh yeah.
Which are opposite to each other.
Right, a wonderful place to be.
And the other side says
A walk, yeah.
without maintenance it returns to scrub or something like that. Yeah.
It reverts to scrub. Once it comes off. Once it's gone, it's lost. A farmer. Alright. I didn't even notice that. Can't eat. We're going back over the wobbly bridge. We're going over the wobbly bridge. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's rocking side to side like. Well, gone in here now. This man. Hey? No. No. Stand in here, take a few photos. This man, perfect. Scan back up now. Call back, Andre. Teddy, come on, son. Good lad. Just taking a few photos. Perfect this. There you go. No. Hey? Hey. It's time to jump in. And that is the end of the walk. Bye. Lost you like? Huh? Lost you. Hey? Sorry? There's the bridge. I'll look from here. That's it. Right. At the very end I'll walk now. Visit the centre. It's open as well. It's open as well.
So it was open if you want to go.
That's alright then. Minimum card spend. Yeah. Almost bought the car now. So what was that, like 3 miles?
10 minutes more.
Yeah. So the waterfall and back down to the waterfall, the low force waterfalls and back, round trip 3 miles, that's it. 3 miles. Back his lead now. That's it.